Hello, hi. This is Khuram Z Chishti. I'm proud to be in this conference. I'm currently a senior credit officer SCO with Habib Bank Zurich. It's a Swiss-based bank. And primarily before that, I had 20 years plus I've been in banking. I started with Citibank Karachi, Pakistan, in my country. Stayed 4 years over there. Moved to UAE, joined Standard Chartered over here. Stayed 6.5 years over there. Was heading the regional credit factory for MNC contracting. Then joined Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank as head of risk analytics. This was followed by senior credit manager, wholesale bank, Emirates Islamic. Then became head of portfolio management, Habib Bank Zurich UAE. That was followed by head of credit for Habib Bank Zurich Hong Kong. And now I'm a senior credit officer, SCO with Habib Bank Zurich UAE. Educationally, I'm a BBA MBA from a leading business school, IBA from Pakistan. I'm a FRM charter holder. I'm a FMVA, Financial Modeling Valuation Analyst. I'm a CBCA, Certified Banking Credit Analyst. I'm a AFM Advanced Financial Modeler. Besides, I also have a SCR, which is Sustainability Climate Risk from GARP, same institute which gave FRM. I am also a life coach, neuro-linguistic programming certified brain coach. I also guide people with respect to their thought processes and how to improve their performances. I love to read. I'm an avid reader. I have my own YouTube channel where I give book reviews. I love to play golf and paddle, which I play regularly with my friends. And I like to network and socialize, and that's why I'm in this conference. So actually, I was very pleased when the Future Forum, they approached me to be one of the speakers / a panel in this conference, because I believe that for the credit, more of the book learning, more of the banking knowledge, you gain a lot and you network a lot by coming to such conferences, because such conferences you get to meet other bank people where you network and share your ideas. As a result of which, some of the market intelligence which you cannot get from books, which you cannot get from anywhere, you get by exchanging ideas with respect to a customer or a trend. Particularly these days, the AI, the cybersecurity, banking, the unbanked are critical aspect, wherein how you penetrate such customers, how you take care of your customer and your early warning signs are you gain from such conferences. So I thank the organizers. It's a very lively event. I met many people, many AI related people, many AI related suppliers, which I can later on explore how I can further deepen my relationship. Given my profile, I've been into risk management. I'm a risk averse person, and I always look forward to such events where I can meet like-minded people and we can discuss what's the current issues facing us. For example, in this, no matter how much of a credit analysis you do, no matter how much of a financial analysis you do, how much of a management analysis you do, there is no way on earth you can predict a person's character. But when you talk to like-minded people, you know if a particular person who's banking with you has applied for a loan somewhere else, has got a scheduled repayment to be made somewhere else, you get to know what you don't get from the books, what you don't get from other sources, which is the market intelligence and how important this is for us. As a credit and as a risk professional, anyone can manage a good credit. Anyone can manage a perfect credit. But it's only when the credit, when the customer, when the borrower has challenges, that when you need to take care of, when you need to be closer to the customer, when you need to talk to the customer, and we need to gather the market intelligence. And that's where the importance of such profiles, such conferences come into place. Over here, you meet people from competition bank. See, competing bank are good as long as the customer is good. When the customer turns sour, when the turn tight against you, then collaboration with your competitors is highly critical, because then together you protect the industry. We are in the banking industry. Banking industry is based on the element of trust. So when a customer defaults, he skips the case, he dents the trust. So not just he could be belonging to he could belong to foodstuff sector, manufacturing sector, services sector, but just by his running away, his skipping, the entire sector comes into question. So hence the question lies that how you should attend such conferences, network with like-minded people, and ensure you give a robust risk management network framework to your bank. When in order to conclude something, honestly, for a credit process, collection process, there's no conclusion. It's always an ongoing, it's always a process where you live day to day with the customer, with the processes, with the issues you have. Hence, all I can say is that you may make the most super sexy deal, you may make the most super sexy sale, but unless and until where his recovery has not hit your account, the deal has not closed. Deal does not close when you sign the documents. Deal closes when the money you gave comes back with profit, interest to your account, bank account. Thank you.